What's up, everyone? Scott Lantow here, your friendly neighborhood tech guy, and I've got something exciting to share with you, because it's my favorite month. July is an extra special month to me because it's got not one, but two of my favorite holidays in it. The first, you probably guessed it, is the 4th of July. I mean, it's like Freedom Month, right? The second, though, is my birthday. Yes, I know I'm biased. I'm sorry, but I can't help it. So, I thought, to make the month even more special, why not give a whopping 30% off my Revival Tech Computer TuneUp to everybody? And to show my gratitude, an even bigger 40% off for the veterans. We all know how important computers have gotten in our day-to-day lives. They're our gateway to the world. They help us work, they help us play, they help us learn, and generally be entertained. So, if you're dealing with a slow, buggy computer, getting sick of it crashing on you, or weird error messages, I totally understand how you feel. We all gotta deal with that. Even me, the tech guy, but I got it all figured out. I got something for you. That's exactly why I'm introducing you to my Revival Tech Computer TuneUp. It's one of the best things we can do for our computers throughout the year. My 45-point TuneUp has been developed over my 20 years of tech experience, my 6 years in business, and helping over 5,000 customers. The comprehensive service is meant to take care of this so you don't have to. It's like giving your computer a much-needed oil change for the software, which I recommend to be done every few months and at least a couple times a year. It's very much like the frog in a pot that boils slowly, and you might not even notice it's running slow. But very often if you're here, it's starting to kind of tick you off. Not only will this cleanse the computer of viruses, malware, and other junk that builds up over time, slowing things down, but I can also fix some hidden corruptions in the Windows system that there's no alerts for. Plus, you're going to be getting dedicated support from yours truly, Scott Lantow, the neighborhood-friendly tech guy. I'll be able to answer pretty much all of your questions and concerns relating computers and technology. And if I can't, I'll point you in the right direction. I'm here to try and help you out with your computer issues, whether they're big or small. That's why with my hassle-free computer tune-up, you can very often say goodbye to all that stress and frustration and get used to working with a smoother computer experience. But let's be clear, this tune-up isn't a fix-all magic bullet. This won't prevent everything, and it won't make your computer perfect. Pretty much nobody can promise that. However, what I can do is significantly lower your risk to malware threats and remove frustrations with the computer. And whenever the inevitable tech hiccup happens, maybe it's another glitch, a breakdown, or an unscrupulous hacker, I'll just be a phone call or desktop chat away. Now, you'll know me, your new tech guy. That's what sets me and Revival Tech apart from the others. What I'm offering you is just not a service, it's an ongoing partnership. Just like a doctor, a dentist, a mechanic, it's 2023, and you should have a good tech guy. And like I was saying before, to sweeten the deal, I'm giving a whole 30% off the Revival Tech Computer Software TuneUp to anybody. And an even more generous 40% off if you're a veteran. That's an unbeatable value for peace of mind and convenience that you'll get from me with Revival Tech. I also want to take this opportunity to tell you about my ongoing cybersecurity performance and support membership. It's called Tolerate Tech. If you're someone who relies on your computer and would appreciate an extra layer of security and support, this might be the solution for you. Tolerate Tech is a continuous monitoring and maintenance system that makes sure your computer is working optimally as much as possible and raises your bar in protection from all of those crazy cyber threats going around. If this piques your interest, just make sure to mention it to me during our phone call. All you gotta do is click the button, fill out your contact info and a couple questions, and then you can pick out an appointment to book a video or phone call with me. I'll answer some questions, figure out what the type of issue is with that computer, and then we'll get your tune-up scheduled right away. And like I said, if you're interested in the Tolerate Tech membership, it's my favorite month, July. So I'll tell you about my July promotion for that as well. Thank you so very much for your time. Just click that button below, fill out your contact info and a couple questions, and then you can book a phone or video call with me right away. I look forward to being your new tech guy, but now I gotta go fix some more computers. All right, Peace.